entire Honda Sensing Suite is also a standard on all Hondas. On the Sport, we also get our adaptive cruise control with lane keeping assist that you can use even without the cruise control. It will steer you right into center of the lane. This button will change the distance between the vehicle in front of you and your vehicle. You can set the speed here. And if you're driving on a highway and someone slows down in front of you from 80 to 60, your vehicle will also slow down to 60. You don't have to press the brake pedal. It all does it automatically for you. A part of the Sensing Suite, Honda Sensing Suite, is collision mitigation braking system and front collision warning. So the vehicle will warn you if it senses a collision, so you can apply the brakes. If you did not apply the brakes and you are getting into an accident, it will apply the brakes for you to at least minimize the impact or even prevent the collision, depending on the situation, how fast you're going. But yeah, it will apply the brakes for you, the standard part of the Honda Sensing Suite.